How to redeem promo code in Pocket FM. Now, redemption of codes or discount codes in Pocket FM, whether you're going to be using the application or maybe through your laptop or PC, the process is going to be the same. But this time around, redemption of codes is usually on their official website. So if you're going to be using your phone, just ensure that you're currently running the latest version by heading to wherever you have downloaded the app and then make sure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, if you go directly to Pocket FM's official site, you should be able to see your Pocket FM homepage. Now, what you want to do is just simply type in payments.pocketfm.in /coupon dash offer. You will now then be redirected to the redemption page, which is here. So simply input your mobile number associated with your Pocket FM account, followed by the unique coupon code that you have, and then just simply click on claim. Now again, process is going to be the same whether you're going to be using your phone or your laptop or PC. That's it. That's how quick you can redeem a code in Pocket FM.